In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your Doordash password and what you can do if you forgot it. So, two methods. First, load up the Doordash app. Now here, we're going to click on Me in the bottom right corner. Then go into the settings and scroll down until you see Manage Account. So from this section, you will be able to see Change Your Password. Click on Change Your Password under your email, and you have to type out your old password and your new password twice. Now, if you have forgotten your password and you don't have access to the app, what you can do is here, I'm just going to load up the web browser, and you want to log out of the Doordash Dasher app, and then in the login screen, you will see Forgot Password. After we have clicked on Forgot Password, you will need to enter your email address for your account and then click on the Reset button. You will receive an email with information about how you can reset your password on Doordash, and you just click on the link inside the email and it's going to ask you to create a new strong password. And that's how you do it. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.